about you. Hey, you stay on my mind.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kinky. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I'm going to be doing this wonderful look for you guys. And this is going to be a simple first day of school look. You know, simple look for you to go to school looking fly, look, you know, stepping out. It's not, you know, going full all out, but it's, you know, taking it over a little bit, that simple look, you know what I mean? And if you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. If you're interested in seeing this look, then just keep watching.
So this is me without anything on my face, and yuck, I look so disgusting.
Anyways, I'm just starting out by brushing up my eyebrows. Next, I'm using my Anastasia Brow Dip Pomade and my NYX Brow Pencil. Using the brow pencil, I'm just going to outline the shape of my brows. And then going in with the brow dip, I'm just going to fill in my brow. After filling in my brow, I'm just going to use a Pro Conceal from LA Girl and start concealing my eyebrows. Okay, so after 3 hours of me doing my eyebrows, I finally got it to where it looks decent, okay? It's not perfect, but whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna start my makeup, you know, finally, because that took forever doing my eyebrows. But yeah, so like I said before, I'm going to be doing a simple school look. First day of school, you know, to step out. Not too much, not doing too much, but you know, stepping out, okay? I'm gonna start out by using my LA Pro Conceal concealer to conceal my eyes. Now I am going in with this NYX palette. And I'm just using this light shade as a base for the darker red I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to be using this Milani palette, and don't judge because this is old. So yeah, and I'm going to be using this dark shade, dark red shade in the middle. And now I'm just taking my blending brush and blending out both of the colors together. Now I'm going back in the NYX palette and taking this bronze color and just blending this out over my crease. Alright y'all, so I'm done with the shadow, and I only did 2 shades. So like I said before, I'm just doing a simple look, so you don't have to do, you know, a lot of stuff to your eyes. So you can do anything to your eyes, but I just decided to do this color. This is my favorite color that I have, and I'm just gonna do that color because that's the color I want to do. You can do any color you want, so whatever suits you. So then we're gonna go into the eyeliner. You don't have to do this eyeliner part, but I'm going to do it because it just brings out your eye. And I'm just using this e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm just gonna start by doing a little line. And I'm about to do the voiceover for this, y'all, because it's hard to talk while doing liner, so voiceover time. So start by drawing a line from the corner of your eye and taking it out as far as you want. Alright, so I did my top eyeliner. Now it's time to do my bottom lash line liner, and I'm just gonna be using my NYX brow and eyeliner. Gonna get my red shadow and go in. Now over to the mascara. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Lashy mascara. Alright y'all, now it's time to apply lashes. Okay y'all, I'm done with the eyes. Now straight to the face. I'm gonna color correct my face with this Pro Conceal color corrector from LA Girl. And I'm just applying this everywhere my dark spots are. You do not want to apply too much because it will blend in with foundation and leave an orange tone. Look at me, I'm red. Next is foundation, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Matte Fit Me foundation. I'm going back in with that same LA Girl concealer and highlight my face. Going in with this dark color Anastasia foundation stick. I'm just going to be contouring. I'm just going to use this Shade and Light contour palette from Kat Von D to contour my forehead and my jawline. Next, I'm using my Anastasia highlighting palette, and I forgot to show that on camera, but I'm using that. And I'm going in with my tear duct, and I'm going to highlight my face, under my brow, my nose, my cheekbone, you know, all that good stuff. Next, I'm using this cheap lip gloss I got from my local beauty store. And I'm telling y'all, this is the best lip gloss ever. It's cheap, but it really shines. Last but not least, it's my Lock It spray from Kat Von D. And it's the last step. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. And yes, girl, so you're going to school. This is your first day of school, you know, high school, whatever. And yes, you're looking fly. So now all you have to do is go there and be confident, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And before I leave, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like and comment. If you have any questions about this look, feel free to email me or comment below, or any of my any of my social media platforms below. You can, you know, hit me up there, and I'll be happy to get back with you. Turn on post notifications so you can know when I post my new video, and that will be very soon. So yeah, stay tuned. So I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.